Well done, sir.
Yeah.
I can see you're looking all good, sir.
Thank you.
But I noticed something. Your other cufflinks is not please.
Oh, yes. That is the problem of Nigeria. Me also, Lati Geta. That's why I brought this thing for 80 euro. It's good for, it's good.
Cufflinks.
Yeah.
Okay, straight to business. All right, viewers at home, I know you are so much expectant of the person I have brought for you today, but just for him to say it by himself, I'd like to bring someone by the name. Can you introduce yourself, sir?
I don't need to introduce myself. Intadua, are you stupid? I don't need to introduce myself. Everybody knows. Anyway, for the sake of people that just coming in, that you don't know me. I am Igunuguba Lorule, Mr. Igunuguba Lorule, Ojutole Ojutoko, then Minister for Prostitute and Corruption in Nigeria. I said Igunuguba Lorule, Ojutole Ojutoko, Minister for Prostitute and Corruption.
That sounds very awkward.
Thank you, sir. What we invited you for today is actually to talk about the ongoing pandemic, the coronavirus, Mr. Coronavirus. What do you think about that virus, sir?
Anyway, good day, Nigerians. I need to greet you. I love you. That is one of those things. That is another season. And you just have to bear with us. We are really working. This government is really working. We are working. To God who made me, we are working. Anyway, interviewer, you are so stupid.
You like what they call quarantine, no quarantine.
A simple thing in Nigeria. How many times am I going to lecture people on this virus? We know where this thing comes from. We are just debo. I spoke to General Sonny Abacha this morning. Sorry, Yaradua ni mo fẹ́ wí. Sorry. What's the name of our new president? Yes, President Buhari. I spoke to President Buhari this morning that we don't need to be beating about the bush. We know where the problem comes from. So where are we? We should all understand that this virus, Corona or Corona Toyota, is sorry.
You are coughing, sir.
No. That coughing is because of Oru. Don't start.
I'm not starting.
Now, Nigerians, do you know we need to say sorry to Musiliu Obanikoro? It was Musiliu Obanikoro that caused this virus. I'm telling you before God and my intimate money, Musiliu is my boy. And I know him very well. Yes, every Nigerian needs to come together and invite Obanikoro to say sorry to him.
You mean the same Obanikoro?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, Musiliu is my boy.
Your boy?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Wow.
Because this guy have tried for this Nigeria. Look at what they did to him during the governor's election in Lagos State. Look at the money he spent. Although I support him with 900 pounds, but But everything is very open to even Omakekere to understand that Koro is boiling. Muslim Abadi Koro is boiling Kodun. We have some marketer in Nigeria. They normally send their names to China to produce all this what's it called, like Marua, like AC, like bicycle, like Okada. They will put their name. You got Sony Yam Yam, Kinikam Pam Pam, Kinikam. That is our name. The Nigerian name. Wow. That is exactly what Obanikoro did during the Batombinu. Obanikoro sent Koro to China. He asked them to remove Musiliu and had anything they like.
That sounds very awkward.
Koro, he sent Koro to China.
Yes! Don't you know that anything that has Koro, yes, that is Corona? Semi Koro is K-O-R-O-N-O. Abi? So when you see Obani Koro, that was the time Nígbà Tinúbí, because I remember that he came to me in UK when I was there's one restaurant in UK, chips and that, where they sell chips and plantain, sell orishirishi. That is where we always meet. Okay. He told me pé òun wá fojú Nàìjíríà rí. So until we come together, we should look for Obanikoro.
Right. What about it?
Actually, all the ministers, even Yemi Osibajo, he came to my house this morning. He was crying, weeping. In
your house?
Benny, he said, Minister, I said, sir. He said, please, what can we do for this virus? I said, let's call Muslim Obanikoro and say sorry. And Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, my junior, he called me also. Jagaban.
Wow.
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 That's what you don't understand.
Wow. The same Tinubu of Nigeria.
Tinubu, ask him. It's my boy. Eloloni. Although he spend money for people, he always anu. But we, I'm a work to say,
these people you have mentioned, Obanikoro and Jagaban, can you say this to their face?
You are mad. Simply, you are mad. Who is Obanikoro?
We are here, sir.
Who is Tinubu? Sorry, Jare, my people.
Yes.
How old are you?
We are on interview, sir.
Don't tell me that. But maybe I can say it in the Jagaban. Is it not the same Jagaban that is going for a president?
That sounds very awkward.
Are we not the one that campaigned for him?
For the sake of record, I'm not the one that said it too. Can you introduce yourself again, sir?
I said my name is Igunuguba Lorule Ojutole Ojutoko, aka Minister for Prostitution and Corruption. Mark my word.
What about it?
Okay, so moving on, sir. How do you think that we can solve this pandemic? How do you think we can bring it?
We can solve it.
Yes.
After we invite Obanikoro and say sorry to him. I know him very well.
So is what you are saying is that it's from Nigeria they take corona to China.
You are still mad. Are you there? I said Muslim sent his name to China to remove Muslim, and he asked them to put anything. That's why China people had the virus.
So Koro is from Nigeria.
Yeah, virus is from China.
But not, where did they see that now? You know that the virus ends with corona.
Mr. Interviewer, please go and Google. Go to Google. Don't ask me questions.
But you are the one telling us the history of corona. You said it was taken from Nigeria to...
Sorry, Jare Yomi. Okay. This is how we can... What is the meaning of emulate? I just want to know.
Emulate? Follow somebody.
Yeah. This is how we can destroy corona... Toyota or Toyota virus.
Coronavirus.
Coronavirus. Thank you. Please stay at home. Stay at home. Sanitize your hand. Sanitize your mouth. Sanitize your leg. Sanitize your nose.
See, you lack what they call quarantine.
For God's sake, don't go out.
Thank you very much, Minister. I'm sorry I can't pronounce that your name is, but Minister. You said people should stay safe. They should not go out. That's government sanction, actually. And thank you for reminding people for that. What I would like to ask is, what is the provision that government is putting in place?
Provision. Yeah. We are on it. That is what all you people saying about government. You don't know what we are doing. Asorok is not where you can just paguru wale now. Now, government have ordered for Gari ati Kuli. Yes, Bantuba Iladi.
I cannot take that thing you mentioned.
Gari Oriani Eburu. For this time, for this season, that they will give you Gari and Kuli, you said no. Then go to your country.
I don't think I eat shawarma.
Please, you are from which state?
You don't let us mention it.
No, I just want to know. You have to tell me.
I'm still a Nigerian, don't worry.
You are not a Nigerian.
But
if you are not... Cameraman, where are you going? Cameraman. Hello guys, if you must skip any meal, it shouldn't be breakfast, so therefore go to Chips and Dat and get your delicious food and follow the address. Of course, don't be told.